Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character bìng step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. Bìng. It means and. Also, to joy. For example, 并不 not at all. Now check this sentence. The idea is not new to us. Is not new to us. 这个想法对我们来说并不新鲜。这个想法 idea 对我们来说 to us 并不新鲜。这个想法对我们来说并不新鲜。想法对我们来说并不新鲜。Not new to us. The idea is not new to us. 这个想法对我们来说并不新鲜。bìng in cursive. Bìng and also to join. 并不 not at all. The idea is not new to us. 这个想法对我们来说并不新鲜。bìng. Please comment any words or sentence with the character bìng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.